Hello everyone, welcome back to the Tekno Jenius channel. In our video this time, I will make a tutorial on how to create an AI influencer character with a consistent face like this. So how do you do it? Let's just do it straight away. But before that, let's support the Tekno Jenius channel by clicking like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to also click the bell so you don't miss the latest interesting information from us. Okay, the first step. Of course we need help from ChatGPT to create the prompt. So we open ChatGPT. Here I created ChatGPT for please help me create a prompt to generate an image in Gemini. I want to create an AI influencer character. I want the character to be a beautiful, white, long-haired Indonesian woman. Give her a pose that influencers often do on their social media. Make sure the result is realistic. Make me 3 prompts with different poses. Okay, the results are out. Next we will create the image using the copy-paste prompt. There are many tools that you can use to generate influencer character images, but I recommend Google Flow and Gemini. So here, I will just use Gemini. Let's just open Gemini, select the Create Image menu, and copy and paste the prompt here, then click Generate. Okay, this is the result. I think it's pretty good. I'll try to make it again with the next prompt and later we'll compare which one is good. Okay, the results are ready, and I think both are quite good. But I'll just take the first generated result, so I'll just download it. So now I will try to make another picture, but this time I will use the additional photo generated earlier so that the results are consistent, especially the face. I will make another prompt on ChatGPT where I want to be similar to the influencers on their social media, both in poses and expressions. Next, we copy and paste the prompt from ChatGPT to Gemini again, but this time using an additional photo so that the face is consistent. Click Generate and wait for the results. We'll make another one. Okay, I think the results are pretty good, so I just downloaded both. Okay, the steps to create the character are complete. Now we will make the video so that it looks like a real influencer. Here I use Flow from Google. You can register using your own Gmail. Okay, click New Project and upload the photo you want to turn into a video. But before that, I will ask ChatGPT for help once again to make a video prompt by uploading the photos that I want to make into the video. Here I uploaded the 2 photos and gave the command create a video prompt based on the photos I uploaded. In the first photo, I want a simple dance accompanied and adjusted to the audio beat of Jadug. In the second photo, I want a simple movement, such as a beautiful smile. Make sure the prompt is in JSON format. Okay, while waiting for the prompt to finish creating, let's go back to the flow and upload the photo that was generated earlier. When the photo is finished uploading, we select Add to Prompt. For the settings, I leave it like this, then copy and paste the prompt that ChatGPT created here, and click Generate. And here are the results. Okay, move on to the second photo. The method is the same, so we just have to repeat the steps. And here are the results. Okay, that's it, friends. How to create AI influencer characters and videos with consistent faces. I hope you enjoy my video this time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you again in the next video.